BlackRock, the most powerful company you've never heard of. This isn't a conspiracy theory. It's the reality of global finance. BlackRock is a company that manages over $11.6 trillion in assets as of 2025. That's more than the GDP of many countries combined. Yet, for most people, the name means nothing. In this video, we'll explore how one company rose to such influence over economies, media, and even politics, and where it's headed today. BlackRock is an American investment management firm founded in 1988 by Larry Fink and 7 co-founders. It began with a clear mission: to help institutions manage risk in their portfolios. Fink's early career in mortgage-backed securities shaped the company's DNA, calculated, data-driven, and focused on long-term growth. The firm quickly distinguished itself with its proprietary risk management technology, which later evolved into Aladdin, asset, liability, debt, and derivative investment network, a platform that now underpins much of BlackRock's decision-making and client services. BlackRock's trajectory took a dramatic turn during the 2008 financial crisis. While Wall Street giants collapsed, BlackRock rose. Thanks to its reputation for risk assessment and its Aladdin platform, it was hired by the U.S. Treasury and Federal Reserve to manage the distressed assets of major institutions. This gave BlackRock a unique insider view and influence into global financial systems. By 2010, it had acquired Barclays Global Investors, making it the largest asset manager in the world. Aladdin became more than just a portfolio tool. It became a core engine of the financial system. It analyzes risk, forecasts market behavior, and informs trillions of dollars in investment decisions. As of 2025, Aladdin monitors over $20 trillion in global assets, and its influence spans banks, pensions, and sovereign wealth funds. This centralization of decision-making raises questions. How much power should one algorithmic platform have? And what happens when entire economies rely on the same digital system to guide investment? BlackRock holds stakes in virtually every major company: Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, JP Morgan, ExxonMobil, and more. It's a key player in ETFs, exchange-traded funds, which are widely used by institutional and retail investors alike. Yet despite this ubiquity, it's important to understand that these are mostly passive investments. BlackRock often does not vote on company decisions directly, unless it's part of its fiduciary duty. Still, this accumulation of influence, even passive, gives it an unparalleled voice in global markets. In 2025, BlackRock doubled down on private markets, areas like private credit, infrastructure, and alternative investments. It invested $28 billion in firms like Global Infrastructure Partners and HPS Investment Partners. This shift reflects growing demand from investors for access to less volatile long-term assets. This move isn't just financial, it's strategic. For example, BlackRock led a $22.8 billion acquisition to take control of key ports in the Panama Canal, previously managed by a Hong Kong firm. This deal aligns with U.S. efforts to counterbalance China's economic reach. With size comes scrutiny. In 2025, BlackRock was caught in an antitrust investigation by the FTC and DOJ, accused of colluding with other asset managers to limit coal production. While the outcome is still pending, it's part of a broader critique that BlackRock's ESG, environmental social governance stance, may impact markets more than intended. Political backlash also pressured the firm to exit the Net Zero Asset Managers initiative, a significant retreat from its once bold climate targets. While navigating regulatory and political challenges, BlackRock is also pioneering the next frontier in finance. It's launching a Bitcoin exchange-traded product in Europe and created a tokenized money market fund using blockchain. These initiatives position the company as a bridge between traditional finance and digital innovation. BlackRock's story isn't just about one company. It's about how modern capitalism operates. It reflects the shift from national economic governance to transnational financial influence. Through algorithms, assets, and advisory roles, BlackRock is a symbol of a new global architecture. As of 2025, it remains central to how wealth is stored, grown, and deployed. Whether it's rebuilding infrastructure, steering markets through crises, or shaping the conversation around ESG, BlackRock's influence is undeniable. BlackRock isn't a secretive force pulling strings from the shadows. It's a firm that has expertly navigated the evolving landscape of global finance. From its roots in risk management to its status as a financial titan, its journey reveals how influence is built, strategically, systematically, and at massive scale. As citizens, investors, and observers, we must understand how these systems work. Because in a world increasingly shaped by capital, transparency and accountability are more essential than ever. If you want to learn more about how financial institutions shape our world, hit that subscribe button and let us know in the comments what topic we should explore next.